Ahoy and welcome to today's gadgets. Today I show you one of my, it's actually not a new gun, I just noticed I never made a video of any of them. So this is the first one, and yeah, we're gonna try some of my favorite soft targets for lasers and video stuff that burns or melts well. And on this one we have another like premiere, that grip there, which I'm about to show you right now along with the paint. I painted a tiny portion of the grip in the same color just to match it, and what you see here is the grip, and that grip is really, I mean, look at it. Feels great, looks even better, hard to make, but worth my time. And just to show you the awesome paint, I set up a black polystyrene plate at the window, and you can see the flow of colors. I also put a bit of the hot color on the stand just to make it match, and that's where that goes. Boom. Looks great, and now let's see if it works. So let's burn some stuff, and my favorite stuff is actually yellow bag material. Like this. And the beam is not even focused on it. It's pretty big. Works great. Just blasting holes into it. And it takes me busy for a while. Best target. If you have a yellow paper bag, use it. Plastic is bad anyways, so burn it. But it smells. Ugh. Dark cardboard is also a great target, so if you have any, try and burn it. Swap the battery, burns even better. My other favorite target is foam, like those sticky foam pads. You can even hear it burn. First time I noticed that. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this one. My favorite targets. As soon as I find more, or if you have any idea on what can I burn with a laser, and don't say meat, I already did that, it just smells horribly. So if you have any idea, let me know, and I see you guys next time.